All right, so let's see what's on the table right now for JASMY coin. Currently, we're sitting at 4.1, almost 4.2 cents. Right now, you do have the 236 fib down here, basically at 4.1 cents or just a little bit lower than that. So if you don't hold that, the next target would be the 382 fib down here at 3.5. I definitely don't see you losing 3.5. I could see you losing 4.1 because you did lose it yesterday, but I don't see us losing 382 and still being bullish. And I definitely don't. And if you lose a 618, then you're extremely bearish, and that means the uptrend is over. If you lose a 382, it probably just means it's going to consolidate for a while. But if you lose a 618 down here at 2.6, that means the uptrend is definitely over, and you're going to go back into a downtrend. I don't think that happens. I think that's extremely unlikely. I think it's very also unlikely you even lose a 382, which is a 353. Last night you didn't even lose that because if I go to the 1 hour chart, I think the lowest you went was like 3.6 or 3.7. The low last night was 374. So I don't see us even coming down to I don't see us losing. We could touch the 382 fib. I don't see us losing that. So I think probably worst case scenario is 347 before a move back up. If it goes down to 347, I would probably be a buyer at that point. I actually did take profits yesterday. I was at the movie theater when it hit 5 cents. Otherwise, I probably would have sold up there. But I sold at 4 cents even. So if it goes down to 3.6, I would be interested in looking at the charts again. But otherwise, but right now I'm in Ape Coin right now, which looks like I have my stop right now in Ape Coin at $12.90, and I get in up here at 14.30. So far not the best trade, down probably 8% right now. But that's what I'm currently in. But yeah, so that's what it looks like for JASMY. Let's go look at the MACD. MACD just made a lower low here on the 1 hour, so that is bearish. Like I said, I'm short-term bearish on Jasmine because I think you're going to probably hit the 382 fib. After that, I think you probably go sideways for a few days, and then maybe early next week you start pumping again, as long as you stay above the 382 fib. Um, the MACD on the 6 hour chart still looks bullish, but you're gonna have to come down and see if you make a lower low. If you never go in the red, then that would mean the trend is still up. But if you make a lower low below this red line right here, then that is bearish. That would mean the uptrend is probably over. So that's how the MACD is looking right now. So far, so good. 1 hour chart doesn't look good. I said on the MACD, but 6 hour chart still looks fine. But you're gonna have to see how that plays out in the next coming days. So also RSI is way overbought. So I just think it needs a few days to consolidate. 6 hour RSI is at 93. 12 hour is at 88. Daily chart is at 78, and the 3 day chart is neutral at 45, but everything under the 3 day chart is overbought. So give it some time to consolidate. Take your profit. Well, probably not. Take profits now is a little bit late, although I guess I took profits at 4 cents. So take your profits if you want, and just sit back and relax because I think it could take a few days to moon. Now, this is not financial advice. I could be wrong, but that's just what I'm thinking from what I'm seeing on the charts. So with that being said, that's all I got for today. If you guys enjoyed this video, appreciate if you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next update.